It's the final brain cell. Excuse me. What are you doing? Oh no.
So I saw my cat outside, and I brought him in. But if that's my cat, who the fuck is this?
Spider cat, does whatever spider cat does. Climb a screen, not the door, don't fall off. Oh no! Ah!
Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her, she dancing like a
Get to be in bed. Are you kidding? Where am I supposed to sleep?
Go sleep on the couch.
Come on, no. Chase, move over. No. Why? Why is it always me? Come on, move over. Just move a little bit to the side. Like, oh God, fine. Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. Please. Please. Oh my God!
That's right. Dicky. Baby.
Hey, Cooter. I missed you while you were at the pet sitters. But now we're home. Do you like the house? I love you so much. You're cute.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who invited?
Was it you? Ghost, did you lock her in there? What happened, Winnie? ¿Qué pasó? You don't know.
Used to not let him have it.
Here we go. It's your birthday. Yeah? Yes.
Aunt Megan made it for you.
Oh my
You
god.
like it?
Good girl.
Yeah? What? They thanked Aunt Megan.
Whoa.
Are fucking helping. You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick this up one little kernel at a time. And you're gonna like it because I'm fucking fed up with your bullshit. I'm gonna be a horrible father one day because of you fucks.
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think you're trying to get into the cat drawer.
Stop it. Love each other.
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Are you hot? Is that why you're laying on your kitchen tile? You're so fat. Te vamos a bañar. Sí. Sí, te vamos a bañar. Que sí.
Hi, Mimi. Watch, her ears go like really far back whenever I do like the heavy metal sound. Woody.
Yep.